In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnail in Photopea. We'll build a clean, eye-catching thumbnail from scratch, and I'll walk you through each action so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by heading to photopea.com. Once it loads, create a new project. You'll see presets and a place to set your own size. For most platforms, a 1280 by 720 canvas in RGB color works great for thumbnails. Name your project if you like, pick your dimensions, and create the document. Let's set a solid background so everything sits on a consistent base. Open the Layer menu, choose New Fill Layer, then select Color Fill. Pick a color that fits your brand or stands out in the feed. High contrast backgrounds, like a bold color behind light or dark text, tend to pop more. Click OK to confirm and you'll see your canvas fill instantly. Now let's place the first image. Use Open in Place to import it directly as a new, transformable layer. Once it appears, resize by dragging the corners and keep proportions consistent as you scale. Position it where it supports your message best, often to one side to leave space for text. Use the alignment guides that appear as you move the image to help you center or align it with edges, and press Enter to commit the placement. Repeat Open in Place for your second image. This could be a logo, a product shot, or a supporting graphic. Resize and align it so the composition feels balanced. If one image should sit above the other, reorder the layers in the Layers panel so the most important element remains visible. Time for text. Select the Type tool, click on the canvas, and type your headline. Keep it short and impactful. Think a few words viewers can read at a glance. Adjust the font, size, weight, and color in the top bar. Big, bold fonts usually work best for thumbnails. Ensure strong contrast between your text and background. Switch your text color if needed so it stays readable, even at small sizes. You can also tweak letter spacing and line height for a clean look and nudge the text into place with the Move tool. When you're happy with the layout, export your thumbnail. Go to Export As and choose PNG for crisp quality and broad compatibility. Confirm the size is correct, then click Save and choose where to store your file. That's it, your thumbnail is ready to use. With this workflow, you can quickly swap images and text for future projects while keeping a consistent professional style.